Forget about the same old side hustles you hear about everywhere. Today, we're diving into some secret AI tools, the ones that are creating some seriously incredible opportunities to build wealth. These are the tools that go way beyond the basics and can give you a massive competitive edge. So let me ask you this. Do you think AI is just ChatGPT? Because if you do, you are missing out on the real revolution. Seriously, most people aren't even scratching the surface of what companies like Google and Anthropic have unleashed. We're talking about the kind of stuff that puts you so far ahead the competition won't even know what hit them. And let's be real, the professional world is in total chaos right now. That number you're seeing? 12,000. That's how many people a single tech giant laid off recently. And honestly, this is just the beginning of a huge, huge shift. So what's going on? Well, this gets to the heart of the problem. It's not just that jobs are vanishing, it's that the skills you need to actually succeed are changing at like lightning speed. There's this massive skill gap opening up. It's not about working harder anymore. It's all about working smarter with brand new tools. This slide really says it all, doesn't it? Here's the hard truth. Someone who takes just 1 week to master these new AI tools can completely outperform someone with a decade of old school experience. The world is just shifting. It's moving to a new AI-powered way of working, and if you stick to the old ways, you're going to get left behind. But what if you had the cheat codes? That's what this is all about. We're about to open up a secret AI toolbox that will help you not just get by, but actually thrive in this new world. And I know this stuff sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. We're talking about building entire apps just from an idea, no coding needed. Producing professional-grade photo shoots without ever picking up a camera. And yeah, even running a company almost entirely automated by AI agents. Okay, let's start with the tools for all you creators out there. If you're looking to build a brand, grow an audience, and make a name for yourself, these next few are for you. First up, this one is an absolute game changer for anyone in e-commerce. You can pretty much forget about paying for expensive models and photographers. It's called Google Mixboard. Here's how it works. You just upload a basic photo of your product, and boom, the AI instantly places it onto stylish models in these really professional-looking settings. You could launch an entire AI product photography agency with this and charge Amazon sellers anywhere from, say, $5 to $25 per image. All right, next up, let's talk about one of the hottest new markets right now, virtual influencers. I'm not kidding, AI influencers are already landing massive brand deals. Sedans 2.0 lets you create your very own hyper-realistic virtual characters. They can dance, they can star in viral memes, and they can build a huge following. You basically become the agent for a star who literally never sleeps or complains. Okay, let me ask you this. Have you ever wanted to be a filmmaker, but you just didn't have the budget or the crew to do it? Well, Utop AI Studios is your answer. With this, you can generate Netflix-style short films just from text prompts. You just type in your story, you can edit the characters, and suddenly you have the power to launch storytelling channels on YouTube that could easily get millions of views. So, we've seen how AI is totally changing content creation. Now, let's level up. Let's go from building a brand to building an entire business. These next tools are for the entrepreneurs out there who want to build automated, scalable companies. This next one is an incredible opportunity, especially for non-English speaking markets. Sarvam AI is this amazing Indian startup, and they specialize in local languages. It creates these voice bots in languages like Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu. So imagine this. You can go to local shops or maybe coaching centers and offer to set up a 24/7 AI customer support system for them. You could charge a setup fee of hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. You've probably heard all the buzz about starting an AI automation agency, right? Well, this next tool is the key to actually doing it. It's called Gamploop, and it's a no-code tool that automates all those boring, repetitive business tasks. Now, here's the crucial part. You're not just selling a tool, you are selling time. You can charge businesses a monthly retainer, $500, $1,000, even more, just to automate their workflows and save them countless hours of manual work. Okay, get ready, because this next concept is going to shift your whole perspective. What if you could hire an AI to be your CEO? That's the idea behind Paperclip AI. You give it a goal, and it goes out and hires and manages a whole team of other AI agents, AI coders, AI marketers, you name it. They all work together to deliver the final project with zero human staff. You become the chairman of a completely automated company. How wild is that? We've seen tools for creators, tools for entrepreneurs, but this last tool I'm about to show you, this one combines everything. It gives one person the power of an entire department. And I'm not just talking about being a little more efficient. I'm talking about having the skill, the output, the execution power of a 10-person engineering team all by yourself. So how is that even possible? Well, it's possible because of a new concept called an agentic harness. The easiest way to think about it is this. A normal chatbot can talk to you, but an agentic AI can act for you. It can literally take control of your computer, access your files, use your software, and carry out complex tasks from start to finish. It's like having a super-powered assistant. And the tool that really embodies this is called Claude Code. This AI can, by itself, do the work of 10 engineers. It writes code, it debugs complex systems, it generates reports. People are using this right now to deliver $50,000 engineering projects completely on their own. It's insane. So what's the big takeaway from all of this? It actually comes from Y Combinator, one of the most successful startup incubators in the world. They said it best. The real money isn't in building the next AI tool, it's in using these tools to provide a finished service. Think about it. A business will gladly pay you thousands a month if you can provide an automated workflow that saves them 20 hours of work. Look, the train is leaving the station. This massive, fundamental shift is happening right now, whether we're ready for it or not. So the only real question left is, are you going to get on board or are you going to be left standing on the platform?